What if your finances manage themselves, categorizing expenses, creating budgets, and giving you real-time advice, all powered by AI? In this video, I'll walk you through how to build your own AI-powered personal finance assistant using the OpenAI Agents SDK. Whether you're a developer or just curious about automation, you'll learn exactly how to go from concept to working prototype. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are AI agents? Think of them as autonomous digital assistants that perform tasks without constant supervision. These large language models like GPT-4 to reason and make decisions, connect to external APIs, retrieve or analyze data, and even adapt as conditions change. They're not just chatbots, they're intelligent problem solvers. Now let's focus on our use case, a personal finance assistant. The problem is simple. Most people struggle with tracking expenses, building budgets, and staying consistent. Our solution, an AI agent that automates all of that. It categorizes transactions, analyzes spending, suggests budgets, and tracks your financial goals, helping you save time and reduce financial stress. To build one, we need to understand the three pillars of an AI agent. Model, the brain. We'll use GPT-4 for reasoning and GPT 3.5 for lighter tasks. Tools, external functions, and APIs to fetch data, analyze spending, and calculate budgets. Instructions, the rules that guide your agent's tone, behavior, and scope. Together, these turn your agent from a chatbot into a decision maker. Setup is simple. Install Python 3.8 or higher, grab your OpenAI API key, and initialize your project. Then, dear finance underscore assistant, cd finance underscore assistant, Python, mven.benv, source.benv/bin/activate, pip install OpenAI agents pandas matplotlib. Create your .env file with the API key, and you're ready to build. Our architecture uses a main agent that orchestrates three specialists: expense tracking agent, budget planning agent, and financial advice agent. The main agent delegates tasks intelligently, like a project manager routing requests to domain experts. Each subagent uses its own tools and logic, but shares the same context. Here's what the base agent looks like in code, from agents import agent, finance underscore agent equals agent. We keep the temperature low for consistent, factual financial responses. Then we add tools like get underscore transactions and analyze underscore spending to enable real actions. Every agent is built around clarity, privacy, and reliability. Financial data is sensitive, so guardrails are crucial. We validate input to block things like SSNs, encrypt all financial data, and use disclaimers to remind users it's not professional financial advice. This ensures your AI stays safe, compliant, and user-friendly. Once your agent is built, test it thoroughly, from individual tools to full workflows. Use integration tests to check agent handoffs and logging to debug routing logic. For deployment, you can run locally, host on AWS/Azure/GCP, or expose it via Flask as a REST API. Add authentication, encryption, and backups for production readiness. In our demo, the user asks, help me analyze my spending and save 20% of my income. The AI fetches transaction data, analyzes spending, housing 35%, food 20%, transport 15%, etc., and then creates a personalized budget plan to save $500 per month. Simple, actionable, and automatic. So that's how you create your first OpenAI agent for personal finance. Start small, iterate, and soon you'll have a smart financial assistant running on your own terms. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And for more tutorials on AI, automation, and Microsoft 365 tech, follow AGMP Consulting. See you in the next one.